Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Chargebee invoices integration with QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Chargebee account. Navigate to the settings section on the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the integrations tab. Click on integrations to view available options. Locate and select QuickBooks from the list of integrations. You will be redirected to the QuickBooks integration page. Click on the Connect to QuickBooks button. A new window will pop up prompting you to log into your QuickBooks account. Enter your QuickBooks credentials and log in. Once logged in, authorize Chargebee to access your QuickBooks account. Review the permissions requested by Chargebee and click Authorize. Return to the Chargebee integration page once the authorization is complete. Next, configure your invoice settings. Select the appropriate QuickBooks company file if you have multiple accounts. Choose the default invoice template you want to use. Map your Chargebee products to their corresponding QuickBooks items. Review the customer mapping settings to ensure accurate synchronization. Set up your tax settings based on your QuickBooks configuration. Once all settings are configured, click the Save button. Now, you can initiate a test sync to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Create a sample invoice in Chargebee and publish it. Check your QuickBooks account to confirm the invoice appears there. If everything looks good, your integration is successfully set up. You can now manage invoices seamlessly between Chargebee and QuickBooks. Periodically check for updates on the integration for added features and improvements. Regularly back up your data to prevent any loss during synchronization. And that concludes the setup of Chargebee invoices integration with QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.